सबका टेली मसाला में स्वागत है। और हम यहाँ झलक दिखला जा जो इसमें हम डांस की बातें कर रहे हैं। मैं धीरज कोरियोग्राफर और जो मेरी पार्टनर है स्कारलेट, वो डांस के साथ साथ जो हिंदी भी सीख रही हैं। मैं उनका इंटरव्यू लेने वाले हैं आज। तो स्कारलेट बताएंगे उनका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा है झलक दिखला जा का जो जर्नी स्टार्ट किया है उन्होंने। स्कारलेट।
Thank you, Mr. Interviewer. How's my journey starting on Jhalak?
Yes.
Thank you. Yeah. Firstly, मैं बहुत excited हूँ to be part of Jhalak. I've been watching Jhalak for the last few years, and I've just been dying to be on the show. I love the whole show. I love the energy. I love what Jhalak brings to India, and yeah, I've been telling myself every year, Agli saal, agli saal, agli saal. I'm used to doing item numbers in movies in Bollywood, which I'm बहुत grateful हूँ that I'm doing that. लेकिन अभी मैं बहुत excited हूँ to dance live, and in Jhalak you get to dance live on stage. It's a very different feeling, and I want those butterflies, that nervousness that I used to feel as a kid. I haven't had that for a long time. I've not danced for a long time in terms of anything technical or any kind of real live 2-minute performance where that's all you get, 2 minutes to make or break it. So मैं बहुत excited to start Jhalak, and actually I'm just thankful. I'm thankful that they gave me this opportunity to be on it. I will say that in Hindi because I can. मैं बहुत grateful हूँ that मुझे Jhalak में perform करने की opportunity मिली, and I'm excited to work with my incredible choreographer, who's now the interviewer of today. Suddenly he's turned into an interviewer. I didn't know he has 2 jobs. But as well as being a great interviewer, he's a great choreographer, and I hope that he teaches me a lot because he's amazing.
जो हमारे
nothing.
Thank you very much.
He just knew, yes, I know I'm amazing, and I will continue with that thing.
Thank you very much for talking so much good stuff about me. Next question आपके लिए स्कारलेट, जो हमारे इस बारी झलक दिखला जा सीजन में नए जजेस हैं, आपका क्या कहना है उनके बारे में?
Correct. We have 3 naya judges. Jhalak में इस साल.
Yes.
So my order. So it's very exciting for us. Actually, there is a new level altogether of expectations from us to the judges. So Shahid Kapoor is, as well as being a huge Bollywood star, an incredible actor, he's an incredible dancer, which we all know of. We have Ganesh Hegde, who I have the utmost respect for in the industry. He is very difficult to break and to impress. To get a good comment from Ganesh Hegde will be a dream for us. And then we have Lauren, Miss Foreign Ki Lauren, who actually Lauren meri dost hai. That's what happens in real life. Anyway,
Start.
yeah, start. So, Lauren meri dost hai. I became friends with Lauren a few years ago when she first came to Mumbai, and I've watched Lauren rock it and grow to where she is today, and she fully deserves it. I am very nervous to dance in front of Lauren. मैं बहुत nervous हूँ क्योंकि मेरे लिए बहुत difficult है Lauren के सामने perform करना. I idolize her a lot, and she's on another level to me, and I just hope that I can give something to her which she will that she will enjoy, and I just hope I impress all of the judges.
स्कारलेट, आपका इस सीजन सबसे फेवरेट जज कौन है?
Favorite judge?
आपका कोई फेवरेट जज?
Karan Johar.
करण जौहर.
हाँ.
ऐसा क्यों?
Because he's nice. All the time he's nice. He's friendly, and he doesn't scare me.
सारे जो कंटेस्टेंट हैं इस बारी कोई डांस स्टाइल लेके आने वाले हैं. आप कौन सा डांस स्टाइल इस बारी प्रेजेंट करने वाली हैं इस सीजन में?
I'm going to try and present as many dance styles as I can. Is this the question? Is this the
Yes,
answer?
yes, 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 yes.
Yes, I understood. I'm going to try and present as many different dance styles as I can. Kyuki, that's the difficult thing for me is I'm good in one style. I need to be good in all styles because every week, har hafte we'll have to bring a different form of dancing. I'll have to do an Indian form, which I'm really excited about. I'll have to push myself in all forms to impress the judges, to impress the viewers at home. And I have to remember I can't stick to one thing. I have to really, really push myself, which will be difficult for me 100%. Yeah.
आप डिफरेंट डांस स्टाइल लेके आने वाले, तो आप किसी भी डांस स्टाइल का एक मूव करके दिखा सकती हैं आप? एक मूव। मैं कोरियोग्राफर हूँ तो मैं आपको सिखाता हूँ, आप मूव करिए। आप टेली मसाला के दर्शकों को क्या कहना, कोई मैसेज देना चाहेंगे अपने दर्शकों को? अपने फैंस को ये।
अच्छा he speaks so fast. मैं हिंदी आती है but लेकिन he speaks so fast.
Okay, thank you very much.
Slow.
Okay,
Okay.
slow.
I want to say to
Yes.
my fans, मैं आपका दिल जितने आ रहे हूँ. I really am. I'm coming to win your hearts with dance. Also, I will try. मैं बहुत कोशिश कर रही हूँ हिंदी सीखने के लिए. अभी धीरज मुझे सिखा रहा है. And but लेकिन most of all, I want to win you over with my dancing. I hope it touches you like it touches me. And dance has no language, so in that sense, I don't know what I was going to say. I lost my thoughts. Yes, dance has no language, and that's the most important thing. So, and that's universal. Dance is universal, and I hope. English. Acha, that's English. I'm asking for him to help me in Hindi, and he's saying, "I hope you enjoy all my." No, English. Hindi. Hindi. I hope आप लोगों को मेरा performances अच्छा लगे. No, genuinely, from the bottom of my heart, I really hope you enjoy, and I hope you appreciate what we bring to Jhalak.
आई थिंक मेरे ख्याल से यहाँ पर स्कारलेट बहुत मेहनत कर रही है, सिर्फ डांस सीखने के लिए नहीं, हिंदी सीखने के लिए भी. तो आई थिंक जो इस बारी जो हमारा एम है कि हम हमेशा अपना बेस्ट परफॉर्मेंस दें और आप हमारी प्यारी जनता को हमारा परफॉर्मेंस पसंद आए और हमें खूब सारे वोट करें. और स्कारलेट बहुत ही ज़्यादा मेहनती है, शी इज़ लविंग दिस. एंड बहुत उसके बाद झलक देखने के बाद शी इज़ फाइनली ऑन द शो, सो शी नीड्स योर हेल्प एंड लर्न लॉट्स ऑफ वोट. So please vote for us.
आपका लगा हमारा परफॉर्मेंस पसंद आया हो तो प्लीज़ आप हम वोट कीजिए. हमको वोट कीजिए.